Hi everyone, today's video is going to be the February unboxing of BoxyCharm. I lost it for a second there, so let's go ahead and get started. This month's theme is Galaxy Glue, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. Gonna be really careful not to drop things. So the first thing is the Seraphine Botanicals Sugar Plus Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. This is what the packaging looks like, but when you open it, this is what the actual packaging looks like. This is what it looks like this, and if it's standing. And so let's try this out real quick. I'm gonna get a little bit. There we go, not too much. Kind of hook it in the corner. And then I'm just going to remove it. Do wet cloth. Using my makeup eraser. Alright, so theoretically you're supposed to do that until the sugar crystals melt into your lips. Because of time, I'm not going to spend a lot of time trying to do all that. And then you wipe it off with the cloth, as you see that I just did there. And I gotta say, it does feel like my lips are smoother, for sure. And it smells really nice. It has that lemon scent, but it's not that overpowering lemon scent. It doesn't smell chemically. It doesn't smell super strong to where you want to take it off your face immediately. But it does feel really good. It feels moisturizing. I don't think it claims. Oh yes, ha, because it says moisturizing lip buffer. Bree, you need to pay attention. But yeah, it feels really nice. Moving on. I just want to show you guys the Crown 3-piece Pro. Keep trying to say bro. Pro Brush Trio. And these retail for $29.99. The lip buffer is $24 for full size. It doesn't look like I have anything except for the highlighters in here to apply yet, so I'm going to see if maybe afterwards I'll put on some blush and see how that goes and try one of these out. Actually, let's just go ahead and take them out. Ooh, they feel soft on top, but not soft around the area. These remind me of the e.l.f. brushes. I'm pretty for sure that e.l.f. has brushes where it has a little pink top and then it has the white. This is these remind me of those, is what I meant to say. There we go, Brie. But yeah. The top definitely feels a little fluffy, a little soft, which is good. The next product is from COVERFX. Upside down again, it has their shimmer Vale. This is what the packaging looks like. And then this is what the product looks like. It is a beautiful pink color. It doesn't actually have a name. Oh no, wait. I'm lying. It does have a name. Amethyst. That's the name of this one. So I'm going to apply some primer first real quick. And then try that on. I do apologize for awkward silences whenever I'm applying makeup. I haven't found an editing program that I like yet where I can do some music and other things, so it's kind of a lot of dead air sometimes. And I apologize for that. But I'm trying. I'm trying, guys. There we go. And let's try this one. I'm a little nervous. Let's see how it goes. Oh, by the way, this retails for $28. So yeah, it's pretty high up there, pretty pricey. Oh man, this looks so pretty. I think think that technically this is supposed to be like a topper, but honestly, I like it on its own. I don't know if you guys can see that real well, but that's what it looks like. I'll probably post a picture on Twitter. I have Twitter for this channel. I'm a little upset because it won't let me actually put in my whole evolving introvert tag as my Twitter name for whatever reason, so I'm gonna have to fix that, but I will definitely put the Twitter in the description below so that you guys can check it out if I do post a picture, or in general, just follow me on Twitter so you can see when I have new videos and my random ramblings and things like that, if you guys want to. I'm gonna go with this side. Well, I'm gonna dip it in. To dip it in. Now let's see this side. And there is the full look right there. Really pretty. I really do love this one. And it's so easy to apply. Like really easy to apply. And it looks so gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It looks so gorgeous. Alright. Next on the list is, let me get my glasses. There we go. Is from Vintage Cosmetics. It is their Smoky Eye Pencil. And this retails for $21. This is what it looks like. Put it this way. Maybe like this. Pull it up, pull it down, and let's try it out. I don't know how I feel about like wooden eye sharpeners. Okay. I think that the eyeshadow does need a second to dry though, so I wouldn't suggest putting things, what I'm about to do basically. Right, I'm so nervous. I'm not good at applying eyeliner. So I might have to do some wiping off of things. Okay. Okay, so far, so good. Except for the bottom. I got a little smudgy on the bottom, but that always happens to me no matter what I try to do, so. Well, I do want to try to make this video as short as possible. I'm going to take my time with the eyeliner just so that I'm not, A, making a huge mess for me, and B, poking my eye out. So let me quickly get some of this eyeliner off my face. And then we can discuss this and discuss the eyeshadow, because I noticed something about the, well, it's not really an eyeshadow. It doesn't describe itself as an eyeshadow. It's more of a veil type thing. Okay, that looks, that's my nose right here. That's some right here, maybe not. There we go. Wait. Okay, now there we go. So a couple things. The eye pencil, I honestly thought was going to be rough. Where'd it go? It went right here. I thought it was going to be rough feeling on the eyes. I've had some that were rough feeling and I didn't feel like it applied very well. It looks kind of dull. But this eyeliner pencil didn't do that. Second thing, when it comes to the cream eyeshadow, I guess, it flakes off a little bit if you're trying to put something else on top. I guess that's why they call it the shimmer veil, so that if you're putting some other eyeshadow underneath, this one's going to be your topper. But in terms of eyeliner, I'd be just a little careful because I did notice some flaking where it was starting to get on my lashes and on the pencil itself. I don't know if that's because it didn't dry completely, I didn't let it dry completely, or if in general that's something that it tends to do. So just a little forewarning there. And then the last item is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection. And this retails for $39.99. This is what it looks like. It looks very pretty. I'm not going to try it on, however, because I'm looking at these highlighters and I bet they're cool and I bet they're kind of quirky and something to try out. But it's just not something that I see myself wearing right now unless I were to be cosplaying for something and I needed that kind of look. My husband, when he saw these, said I could try them out as eyeshadows. So I'm debating whether I should just go ahead and give this one away or if I should try it as eyeshadows. I don't know. Let me know your opinions on that. What do you think? Do you think these could possibly make good eyeshadows? Because if so, I'd be down for it. But this, I'm not going to put on my face. However, I already have foundation on my face, so I figure we'll just go ahead and do some blush on my face and use the brushes and see how this goes. And I'm going to use this one. I don't even know if this is for, well, I guess it would say in the description box, huh? Oh, so this is a contour set. So I'm not going to highlight that because these are contouring brushes apparently, and I don't know how to contour yet. So I'll give you my opinions whenever I decide to contour. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.